Welcome to Quiz Drop. 20 questions. Can you get them all? Let's go. Question 1. How many players are on a basketball team on the court at one time? Your options are A. 6, B. 4, C. 5, D. 7. The correct answer is C. 5. And here's a fun fact. Basketball was invented by Dr. James Naismith in 1891 using a peach basket as the goal. The 5-player format has been standard since the sport's early organized years. Question 2. What is the chemical formula for water? Your options are A. HO2, B. H2O, C. H3O, D. OH2. The correct answer is B. H2O. And here's a fun fact. Water is the only natural substance that exists in all three states, solid, liquid, and gas, at temperatures commonly found on Earth's surface. Question 3. Which country has won the most FIFA World Cup titles? Your options are A. Germany, B. Argentina, C. Italy, Brazil. The correct answer is D. Brazil. And here's a fun fact. Brazil has won the World Cup 5 times. In 1958, 1962, 1970, 1994, and 2002. They are also the only nation to have qualified for every single tournament. Question 4. What is the closest planet to the Sun? Your options are A. Venus, B. Earth, C. Mercury, D. Mars. The correct answer is C. Mercury. And here's a fun fact. Despite being closest to the Sun, Mercury is not the hottest planet. Venus holds that title thanks to its thick atmosphere trapping heat in a runaway greenhouse effect. Question 5. In tennis, what is the term for a score of 0? Your options are A. Nil, B. Love, C. 0, D. Duck. The correct answer is B. Love. And here's a fun fact. The origin of love in tennis is debated. One popular theory is it derives from the French word l'œuf, meaning egg, referring to the oval shape of a 0. Question 6. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? Your options are A. Quartz, B. Titanium, C. Obsidian, D. Diamond. The correct answer is D. Diamond. And here's a fun fact. Diamond scores 10 on the Mohs hardness scale, the maximum possible rating. It can only be scratched by another diamond and is used in industrial cutting tools. Question 7. Which athlete has won the most Olympic gold medals in history? Your options are A. Carl Lewis, B. Michael Phelps, C. Usain Bolt, D. Mark Spitz. The correct answer is B. Michael Phelps. And here's a fun fact. Michael Phelps won 23 Olympic gold medals across 4 games between 2000 and 2016, making him the most decorated Olympian of all time. Question 8. How many bones does an adult human body have? Your options are A. 212, B. 198, C. 206, D. 224. The correct answer is C. 206. And here's a fun fact. Babies are born with around 270 bones, but many fuse together during childhood. By adulthood, the number settles at 206, Question 9. Which sport is played at Wimbledon? Your options are A. Badminton, B. Squash, C. Tennis, D. Cricket. The correct answer is C. Tennis. And here's a fun fact. Wimbledon is the oldest tennis tournament in the world, first held in 1877. It is the only Grand Slam still played on grass courts. Question 10. What gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere during photosynthesis? Your options are A. Oxygen, B. Nitrogen, C. Hydrogen, carbon dioxide. The correct answer is D. Carbon dioxide. And here's a fun fact. During photosynthesis, plants convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose using sunlight. The oxygen released is a byproduct, which is why plants are vital to life on Earth. Question 11. How long is a standard marathon race? Your options are A. 26.2 miles, B. 25 miles, C. 24.5 miles, 27 miles. The correct answer is A. 26.2 miles. And here's a fun fact. The modern marathon distance of 26.2 miles was standardized in 1921. The extra 0.2 miles was added at the 1908 London Olympics, so the race could finish in front of the Royal Box. Question 12. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Your options are A. Jupiter, B. Neptune, C. Saturn, D. Mars. The correct answer is D. Mars. And here's a fun fact. Mars appears red because its surface is covered in iron oxide, which is essentially rust. Its thin atmosphere means temperatures can swing from 20 degrees Celsius to minus 125. Question 13. In which sport would you perform a slam dunk? Your options are A. Volleyball, B. Basketball, C. Handball, D. Netball. The correct answer is B. Basketball. And here's a fun fact. The slam dunk was popularized in the 1970s by Julius Erving and later Michael Jordan. It was actually banned in college basketball in the US from 1967 to 1976. Question 14. What is the speed of light in a vacuum? Your options are A. 200,000 kilometers per second, B. 350,000 kilometers per second, C. 299,792 kilometers per second, D. 150,000 kilometers per second. The correct answer is C. 299,792 kilometers per second. And here's a fun fact. Light travels at 299,792 kilometers per second, meaning it can circle the Earth about 7.5 times in 1 second. Nothing in the universe travels faster. Question 15. How many Grand Slam titles has Serena Williams won in her career? Your options are A. 20, B. 21, C. 23, 25. The correct answer is C. 23. And here's a fun fact. Serena Williams won 23 Grand Slam singles titles, more than any other player in the Open era. She won her first at the US Open in 1999, aged just 17. Question 16. What is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere? Your options are A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Argon, D. Nitrogen. The correct answer is D. Nitrogen. And here's a fun fact. Nitrogen makes up around 78% of Earth's atmosphere, while oxygen accounts for about 21%. The remaining 1% includes argon, carbon dioxide, and trace gases. Question 17. Which country invented the Olympic Games? Your options are A. Italy, B. Greece, C. Egypt, D. Rome. The correct answer is B. Greece. And here's a fun fact. The ancient Olympic Games were first held in Olympia, Greece in 776 BC. They were held every 4 years for over 1,000 years before being banned by the Roman Emperor in 393 AD. Question 18. How many chambers does the human heart have? Your options are A. 2, B. 3, C. 5, D. 4. The correct answer is D. 4. And here's a fun fact. The human heart has 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. It beats around 100,000 times a day and pumps approximately 5 liters of blood per minute at rest. Question 19. In which sport is the term hat-trick most commonly used? Your options are A. Rugby, B. Basketball, C. Football, D. Cricket. The correct answer is C. Football. And here's a fun fact. A hat-trick in football means scoring 3 goals in one match. The term originated in cricket in 1858 when a bowler was given a hat after taking 3 wickets with 3 consecutive balls. Question 20. What is the powerhouse of the cell? Your options are A. Nucleus, B. Ribosome, C. Mitochondria, D. Cytoplasm. The correct answer is C. Mitochondria. And here's a fun fact. Mitochondria produce ATP, the energy currency of the cell, through a process called cellular respiration. They also have their own DNA, suggesting they were once independent bacteria. And that's Quiz Drop. Drop your score in the comments and subscribe for a brand new quiz every single week. See you next time.